Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've prepared a very delicious recipe. These are stuffed capsicum. This is like really delicious and does not take that much of time to make. So today we are going to make this recipe. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken a pan and I've poured like 2 tablespoons of oil into it, and I'm going to spread it well. With that, I'm adding cumin seed about half teaspoon and Nigella seeds about 1/4 teaspoon. With that, I am going to add mustard seeds about 1/4 teaspoon as well, and I've turned the flame on medium. And with that, I am going to add ginger garlic about 1 tablespoon and green chili about 1 tablespoon as well. I've taken green chili, I've chopped it quite well, so I'm going to saute it well. You can use a spoon to saute, but I'm doing it with like shaking the pan. So once it's done, we're going to add some of the onions. I've taken one small onion and I've chopped it quite well, and with the help of a spoon I'm going to let it get fried. So we're going to fry it for 2 minutes, and after that we'll move towards the next process. Well, the thing is, once the onions are started to turn like pinkish color, then we will add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And with that, I'm adding salt. You can add according to your taste. Everybody like less, or some people like more salt, so it's up to you. With that, I'm adding red chili, coriander powder, and black pepper powder. So for these, I'm also adding a garam masala powder, and I'm going to mix it quite well. Well, it's up to you whether you like to add more spices or less. Once all these ingredients are mixed well, we're going to add boil and mashed potatoes. I've taken 2 potatoes and I've boiled them well, and after weighing them off, I've mashed it quite well. So mix it well with the spices, and once it's mixed, then we will move towards the next process. While I am mixing it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So I've also added coriander leaves, and I'm going to cook it for 1 minute, and we're going to mix all these ingredients quite well, so that the coriander leaves and all the masalas are mixed well in these mashed potatoes. Once it's done, then we will move towards the next part. Mixing the potatoes is a little bit difficult and it will take a little of time, but after doing it, we'll put it aside and then we will move towards the next part. That is the capsicum part. We're going to take the capsicum, and I've taken 4 capsicum and washed it quite well. Now we'll take off the lid. You can say the upper portion will be separated from the lower portion, or you can say the lid will be removed from this capsicum. Once you remove the lid, then we'll take out the inner insides, or whatever that is inside this capsicum, and completely clean it from the inside. So we'll be removing all the seeds from inside, and then we will move towards the process of filling, but do it one by one on each of the capsicum. And once all of these are done, then we will move towards the next process. Now you can see it's completely done and there's none of the seeds inside this capsicum. Now we will take one by one all of these and do this process. So you can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. That would be much easier, or if you have any better process, you can just follow that up as well. So I'm doing it with the help of a knife, and while using a knife you have to be very careful. So once all of these vegetables, like all of these capsicums, are completely cleaned from inside, then let's move towards the next process. I've taken a pan and I've added 2 tablespoons of oil into it on medium flame. So I'm going to put all these capsicum one by one into it, and it's up to you whether you want to like make it tender and crispy as well, or you want it to be golden in color. I want it to be golden in color, so I fried it a little more. But if you don't like it more golden, then it's up to you. You can just take it out once it's turned out to be fried and not that much of golden. So I have turned it golden brown, and now I'm taking it out. So by taking one of these out into a separate plate, then we'll move towards the filling part. Now you can see these are golden brown, and now we'll move towards the filling part. I've taken the potato filling which I made before, and with the help of a spoon I'm going to fill it in these capsicum. Well, I'm doing it with the help of a spoon. You can also do it with your hand, but if you're not comfortable using your hand, you can also wear gloves for the filling part. Well, it's more easy to do it with hand rather than spoon. And once all of these are done, now we'll take the same pan which we have fried the capsicum in, and then we will put these capsicum again into this pan. So we're going to put the flame on low, and now we'll cover it with the help of a lid. After a few minutes, just take off the lid and with the help of a spoon turn the sides of these capsicum so that each side is cooked well. So these are ready to be eaten. Now we will take out into a presentable plate, and these are ready to be served in front of your guests. Once you're gonna take them out, you can just eat it with tortilla wrap naan, or you can eat it as it is. It's really delicious. You can serve it in front of your guests, or just eat it as it is. Eat it as a snack with some tea, or like tea time and tea time. So this is like a delicious recipe. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed it. Once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you'll see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated about my latest videos on the first go. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment down in the comment section, and I would be rather happy to answer you on the first go. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.